This is the I Ching's answer. First line.
There is no fault. You know how to say no at the right time. The crisis is just emerging and lacks significant energy. It is easily controllable. You'll turn bad fortune into good. Someone makes a romantic advance towards you, but you already have a prior commitment and decline the proposition.
Heavens, we'll always send help when you need it. You can also help us. Please like and subscribe. Second line.
You kill 3 foxes in the field and obtain a yellow arrow. Perseverance brings good fortune. The subject is correct. This is like having a golden arrow, symbolizing good fortune. Someone thinks they are smarter than you and tries to deceive you, but you see through it and know how to stop them. The one who caused the dispute should be the one to resolve it. Something tempting arises, but you clearly see it is not good for you. You eliminate the crisis. You must trust yourself. Your instincts are correct.
The I Ching is like a log on a big river that will help you get out of troubles. Share this information with the people you love. Give us a comment. Third line.
If a man carries a large package in his back while riding in a cart, he will attract thieves. Persisting in this way only brings headaches. Showing off invites calamities. Don't flaunt your treasures. Travel or move humbly. Similarly, if you know, hear, or see something, remember the wise monkeys. I hear nothing, I see nothing, I say nothing. Discretion is such a powerful gift that it can even lead to marriage. Someone will recognize your discretion and want to partner with you. You have many complicated obligations and are always working. When you finally have a little extra money, you go out to relax and have fun. A scammer notices you and immediately approaches with a great deal. You realize it was your own actions that attracted this type of person. Sometimes it is best not to hear or know anything. Flaunting your possessions, whether material or intangible, attracts tips. Trying to show off a status you don't have only attracts opportunists, not important people. You are causing your own calamities. It is time to stop what you are doing before the consequences arise. A honest person who acts according to their true self could even find a marital partner. There is an opportunity for long-term work and serious commitment, but they are looking for honest individuals. Lying about your abilities ruins the chance. There are things you already know how they work. Simple rules, like not taking a phone call when they hide their number, or like going all flashy to a bad neighborhood. This line states it was a mistake, the one you made, but also that it is not something you should worry about, if you understand the nature of the fault. Don't let things get you off guard. Be smart and think ahead.
The thunder is coming, waking up life. It quakes the earth and heaven. Unleash the thunder in you and move on to life. Like and subscribe. Fourth line.
Separate yourself from your big toe. Then a good person will arrive, bringing good fortune. It is time to leave behind what is old, unhelpful, or toxic. The big toe helps with balance, but isn't vital. If something is causing problems or can't keep up, it is time to retire it. An old machine from when you started your business constantly breaks down and runs slower than the newer ones. Though you are fond of it, for being the equipment you began with, it is time to let it go or retire it. You've made great strides in your character, but still hold onto an old vice or weakness that occasionally drains your time or resources. There comes an age when certain things permitted in youth must be left behind. You ended a relationship long ago, But when you open your phone's contacts, you see their number. It is time to delete it, and any remnants of that past relationship. Your friends want to celebrate big and ask you not to invite an old friend who can't control their drinking problem and always causes trouble. You know, it is time to leave this friendship behind.
When everything is going okay, remember to keep the state of tie. This is bliss. On hard times, hold out hope and trust in yourself. If you need a private reading, the contact mail is below on the description. Fifth line.
If the only person who can help you is yourself, it is good luck. This teaches second-rate individuals that you take things seriously. It is time to show that you don't need to act poorly or take shortcuts to achieve your goals. Temptations offering supposed opportunities will arise. You don't need to respond aggressively. Simply show yourself as incorruptible. You tell your friends you want a better life, healthier, studying, working, developing, etc. But they laugh and try to convince you otherwise. They distance themselves when they see your attitude change and your plans progress. They leave you alone. Did you know a good friend offers good advice, while bad influences give bad advice? Someone tries to convince you to participate in scams. You only need to show yourself as honest and trustworthy for them to leave you alone. Don't give concessions to wrongdoings. Don't try to fight it directly. Just show yourself as untouchable by its temptations. The opportunity is so close, it is figuratively right in front of your eyes.
The chi of thunder lives in you. It awakens life. Take this energy with you every day. Sixth line.
The prince shoots a hawk, perches on the wall and kills it. Everything supports the situation. The subject is like a prince. They have every right to act. It is time to eliminate that bad habit. The person who wanted to harm you or use you is exposed. Attack. It is time for them to pay for their wrongdoings. Now you know what's right and wrong. This is a skill only superior individuals possess. Well done, Immortal. Share your story. How did you dispel the wrongdoing? Your partner has been using you and has no genuine interest in you. You have been waiting for the opportunity to end the situation. Now their lies are exposed and they are vulnerable. No matter what they say, once the relationship ends, everything improves immediately. You have an annoying neighbor who always leaves trash in the hallways and hosts late-night parties. They made a mistake. And now, the administrator is asking neighbors for testimony to expel them. You don't hesitate a second to give yours. It seems very difficult to achieve, but you'll succeed. This is, listen well, a golden opportunity to achieve the goal you've long desired. You've gained skills that place you slightly above average.
Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.